How to hide WhatsApp notifications on lock screen on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guys. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can hide your WhatsApp notifications on your lock screen on Android. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to hide your lock screen on your Android phone of WhatsApp, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch this settings application on your Android phone. Once you launch the settings app, you want to look for the option called notifications. So basically every Android phone these days have an option called notifications, so you want to just make sure to tap on that option. Then you also have the option called lock screen notifications, right? So basically there are different types of notifications. In my case I have lock screen notifications, and when I tap on it, basically I can simply turn off notifications in my lock screen. So basically I don't want to see any notifications in my lock screen. I can do that one thing. The other thing I can do is I can simply show my notifications, but I can hide the content of that notification. So basically when I select hide content, it will not show me the content available. So if you received a WhatsApp message, it simply says WhatsApp, you received a message, but it will not show you who sent that message and what the message actually is. For that you have to simply unlock your phone. So basically you can just select hide content, and then you can try the settings yourself and you should be able to fix it. And not only on WhatsApp, it also works on other applications. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.